Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is June 9th, 2017. You're looking at the E-mini S&P contract. Remember to roll over to September by today if you haven't done so already. The first two trades here on the Atlas line as well as the at the open 2 are long. In addition, you have these strength trades and pullback trades. What I really want to show you now is what's happening here as we get into the middle part of the day, which I call the B part of the day, is the market is beginning to go short. So this entry, 24.3875, is based off the Atlas line signal. Again, using the current conditions, you can anticipate a 2-point move. Of course, we have our stops: time-based stop, prove-it stop, catastrophic stop. You never trade without being protected. And so in this case, the market went straight to the 2-point target, if not more. In addition, because we've had such slow whipsaw back and forth conditions, I think the market works like a cycle. And what we're looking at is the market finally beginning to move and break out of this tight whipsaw area. I also want to show you something else as we get further along. Now, in addition to just the Atlas line or the ATO2 software, I also show you and I teach the ABC method, which if you search on YouTube, you can probably find exactly how I do the ABC method of dividing up the day. But this is important because what we're seeing here at first is the market tested the range of the A part of the day and bounced off of it, and that gave a nice signal on the Atlas line for these pullback and strength trades. As you can see, the P's and the S's there. But not only that, now it's beginning to move beyond, and moving beyond the range of A, the first 2.5 hours here of the market, typically indicates a trend. So I'm showing you this just to forecast a trending day, and obviously trending days work different than a flip-flop day. We have to be very careful. And so the ABC software is giving us now a signal to go short, but more importantly than just the software spitting out the signals, realize that the day is going to be a type of trending day. Now, as we get further along in the day, I've shown you the Atlas line long right in the beginning of the day, followed by the Atlas line short, followed by these pullback and strength trades. But more importantly, this ABC method indicated that we're going to have a trending day. And now you see it give another signal to the short side, which is a late day sell-off. And this again is part of the ABC method. The software is included as a bonus with the ATO and with mentorship. And what you're really focusing in is not fighting a trend. If we understand there's a trend, we can move with it. We're not going to fight it or counter trend trade it. So the ABC method indicated we're going to have a trend to the short side. It followed up now with a late day sell-off, 24.26 quarter. The current conditions are about 11 ticks, almost 3 points. That would be the target to start off with, 11 ticks, 3 points as we get into the end of the day. And don't fight these trends. Remember, trading is risky. Use your stops. There's always cycles that happen when the market is slow and choppy and tight, as well as now it's beginning to move and expand outside of this choppiness that we've had. It's not about direction, it's about following what the price action is telling you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or email us at support@DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see you in the next class beginning June 19th, right after Father's Day. Have a great day, everyone.